Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Happy fall. It is officially fall. Today it was 70 degrees, which is a very big difference since it's been almost 100 degrees here in Southern California. I don't know where y'all are at, but you can let me know down in the comments below where you guys are all at and what the weather is like, because it is October and I am still very tan, which is very shocking, but I'm not complaining about it. I do kind of wish I got to be a little bit more fall festive. I also just got some new products in. I did pick up some Sephora products that I wanted to try with you guys here on my channel. And also I got the Madison Beer and Morphe eyeshadow palette and lip gloss. It is such a beautiful palette that when I saw it, I literally thought to myself, like, this is absolutely fall vibes. I cannot wait to play with it. And I don't play with eyeshadow. You guys know I play with blushes on my eyes and stuff like that, but eyeshadow is not something that is my forte. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So to start off, we're going to use the Glossier Priming Moisturizer Oil Control. I think this helps with like priming, pore control. It's like very lightweight too. Then I'm gonna use this. I just got this in the anti-pollution sunshine. I'm going to be using the Bronzi anti-pollution sunshine drops. I almost had it. I'm not gonna even do it. I'm gonna use this. I heard this is like a really great skincare product, but also like a really great like bronziness. It's like very lightweight. Oh, it does give a little bit of color. Oh, it's nice. Maybe next time I'll like take it on a brush, kind of like buff it in where I would bronzer. That might be really cute. For foundation, I've really been liking this. This is the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Natural Finishing Anti-Pollution Foundation in the shade 400. I'm gonna put it on this little Nudestix brush, dapple it on, and blend. For concealer, we're gonna be using this. I don't know if I've used this on my channel before, and this is the Forever Skin Correct by Dior. I got mine in the shade 3WO. I'm gonna take my Thrive sponge and then just start bouncing this on just to blend out any harsh edges I might have. Okay, so to do brows, I just zoomed you guys in a little bit closer so you could kind of see. But I'm gonna start off with the Glossier Boy Brow. Now we're gonna go ahead and fill in the brows just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of the concealer. So next up, I'm gonna powder underneath my eyes just because we're gonna be doing some eyeshadow, so I don't want it to like fall out and stuff. So I'm gonna take the Honey Translucent Powder by Laura Mercier with like the little puff, and then I'm going to apply this all underneath the eye. So for eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using the new Madison Beer Morphe palette. But look how cute it is. I love it so much. So I'm very excited to work with it. I feel like I haven't done eyeshadow in like a really long time. So I'm feeling very excited. I'm gonna take the shade called Zero, which is this really pretty shade right here. And I'm also using her brushes that she created. Or I don't know if she created them, but it came with the collection. And I'm gonna just put this in the crease. I'm gonna take, I'm gonna use this color right here. It's called the Devil in a Dress. Ooh, scandalous. And then I think I'm gonna take this really pretty color right here. So stellar. Put it all over the lids. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of liner. This is the Almay Black Brown liner. Alrighty, and then I'm going to take this brown espresso color right here and blend the eyeliner out. I'm gonna be using the Ilia Mascara. Now that I have the eyes on, let's start to like warm up the face because I feel like I look like Count Dracula at the moment. I have two different bronzers I picked up from Sephora. Right here, I have the Fenty Teddy Cream Bronzer, and then I have the Cream Bronzer by Tarte C. Look at this packaging. Ooh, that looks very creamy and delicious. I just want to like shove my fingers in there. And then we have Teddy, which is Fenty, and this is what it looks like. That's like a little, that's not as warm as this one. So we have two different kinds. Two different shades. We're just gonna have to try them both. I'm gonna first start off with the Fenty. Take a brush like this. This is the Sephora Pro Blush 96. Tap some off on the forehead. Definitely a cooler. I was either debating between this one and the macchiato one, but I don't know, let's see on this side. I don't know if I bought the right shade. It looks more like a contour than it does what I'm looking for. I mean, I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna try the Tarte one. At least this isn't going on patchy, which is really nice. The Tarte one is huge. Like, this is gigantic. Yeah, this is more my shade. See what I mean? This is like more, ooh. This is a little swatchy and then I'm looking at it. But I like this shade. I think this shade matches my skin tone a little bit better. This one is warmer, so it's going to warm the skin up. This one's more of like a contour. Yeah, I like the Tarte one more right now. I'm gonna try this on my nose. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is like perfect for the nose. Do you see this? Yeah, that's really nice contour. I'm gonna blend it out. Just kind of bounce all around, bounce, 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 bounce. So far, so good. This is really nice for overall bronzing because it's a little bit warmer. I'll have these linked down below. Oh, this, by the way, is in the shade Grace Bay. I just saw on the back. But this one's really good. That's like more of a contour, but they're both good for different reasons. I'm excited that I bought them both. We're gonna go ahead and try out a new blush. I have this Fenty blush. It's the Freestyle Cream Blush in the shade Latte. Ooh, yeah, look at that. With the eyes, it'll be super pretty. Let's see with the finger. Wow, this blush is so pretty. What did I tell you what this is? Oh, Rose Latte. I think I told you that, right? Look at this color. I am really liking this. Okay, I'm gonna use the Hollywood Flawless Filter as my highlight. I'm gonna seal it with some highlight, the Dior palette. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury blush topper in Pinkasm. Just a little pop on the cheeks, you know? I'm gonna take Hot Gossip lip liner. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of She's So LA blush. There's the cream and the powder, but I'm gonna use the powder one just to set everything. I'm gonna take the lip gloss by Morphe and Madison Beer. It's like a clear gloss, like perfect. It's not sticky either. Just so nice. Last but not least, I'm gonna spray with some iconic London Prep Set and Glow. This one is in the shade Water Mist Glow. Okay, you guys, so that completes today's look. I hope you enjoyed walking through this entire makeup tutorial. I feel like it took so long, but I truly was just so inspired, and you guys know I don't really play with eyeshadow very much. I'm so pleased I did, and also it's Morphe, so it's very affordable. I know I did show some Sephora products in today's video that are a little bit more on the expensive side, but I tried to balance it out the best I can. I feel like I did use some drugstore products as well. If you guys want to see all these products, they're all listed down below with links and everything like that for you guys, shades, numbers, all that good stuff. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.